Hello students, we are discussing about the principles of object-oriented programming language. Encapsulation is wrapping of data and functions of an object as a unit that can be used together in a specific operation. Here data and function of the class is shown, and this is the external program area. The data cannot be accessed directly. It can only be accessed through the functions if they are public. So if we want to limit the access, that the data from our class should not be accessed outside, we can limit that access. That means we can wrap our data, we can hide our data so that others cannot use it. That is called encapsulation. Next principle is inheritance. While programming, we may need to create multiple classes to meet our requirements. It is not essential that we are making just one class. We can make more than one class. Suppose we have made the class employee. In that, we are writing the body of the class in which the details of the employees are given. And next class, suppose GM, general manager, we are writing, and in front of that we are writing extends employee. When we are writing this extends keyword, that means this becomes the superclass and this is the derived class or the subclass. So whatever is written in this superclass can be reused by this derived class. This is also called the parent class or the base class or the superclass, and where we have written extends employee and the data from employee class can be reused here. This class is called child class or subclass or derived class. So whatever is written in the employee class can be reused in GM class. Only those values and data members we have to take which are not in the employee class. That means we have to take only in GM class. Those only we have to write. Otherwise the data from this employee class will be reused by GM class. So this is the inheritance concept, that the data can be reused. Inheritance is a property by virtue of which one class acquires some features from another class. It promotes reusability. So this class is reusing the data of the employee class. So this is the concept of inheritance.